Have you ever wondered what to do with beetroots that are left after making borscht? Watch this video and you will learn how to make an easy and healthy salad out of them. But before that, you might want to make a borscht. I know I've made a video about that, but this method is faster. Cut the beetroots into large pieces and simmer them in chicken stock for half an hour. Add generous amounts of marjoram and garlic. After 30 minutes, pour in beetroot base. But if you don't have it, add vinegar or lemon juice. They are far from perfect, but they'll do good. Now that you've made borscht and got some boiled beetroots, let's make a salad. You will obviously need beetroots from borscht, 1 onion, some lemon juice for taste, horseradish. Best one is freshly grated, but I only had horseradish paste that is commonly sold in Poland. Grate the beetroots. After the simmering, they should be soft. Onions aren't soft, so we have to soften them up, frying them in generous amounts of olive oil. Pour all of it into grated beetroots. Add salt, lemon juice and horseradish and mix it well. You can add sugar for taste. However, my beetroots were very sweet and I had to add more lemon juice instead. Now it is ready. Serve them in separate bowls, just like miseria. However, my wife isn't fond of boiled beetroots, so I pasteurized them for later use. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe or like me on Facebook, and then I'll see you next time. Happy cooking!